Let's now go to pathology of qi mechanism. Let's discuss spleen and stomach. The spleen sends qi upwards to lungs and heart, and its food qi, gu qi, to the lungs to combine with air to generate gathering qi or zhong qi. Here in the diagram, we can see the ascending of spleen qi to the heart and the ascending of spleen qi to the lungs, which the food qi combines with air to make the gathering qi. The direction here in the direction of the stomach qi, uh, from the stomach qi exiting from the muscles and descending to the intestines, and the spleen qi ascending to the heart and lungs and entering into the muscles. When spleen qi descends instead of ascending, it cannot ascend to the chest and the lungs to carry food qi. Therefore, the whole production of qi is disrupted, and this may result in qi deficiency. Moreover, when spleen qi descends, it may cause loose stools or prolapse of the organs. We can use REN12 and U20 to stimulate the ascending of spleen qi. The stomach sends impure qi downwards towards the intestines. When stomach qi ascends instead of descending, it causes hiccups, nausea, vomiting, and belching. As the stomach carries food essences to the whole body and the limbs specially, the ascending of stomach qi also disrupts the production of qi in blood and may result in qi deficiency. The descending of stomach qi to the intestines. We can use REN10 to stimulate the descending of stomach qi. Thank you for your attention.